Hi everyone, this is Shelby Berry here. So today just want to show you a quick mini album that I have done recently, because like I noticed that I have always like go into people weddings, or sometimes when we meet up with friends we always have some Polaroid thing, and then it like doesn't really go into any album. So I just thought of like do a simple one, which is this one, which I just use two A4 size craft paper to make it into this little mini album, which it doesn't really store a lot of things, but I think it's still good enough for me to keep all those little miscellaneous like photo that I have always received. So here is just the look of the outside. It's very simple. So all these are like this bicycle. If you really notice about it, I always use this one, which is from AliExpress dye, which I love it a lot. Yeah, so I just add some Winkle Stella on it to make it a bit shine, and I do some coloring on it. And then I have this Polaroid frame, which I can't remember which dye I use. I think it's from Mama Elephant, I'm not too sure. And then this is my AliExpress dye as well, and this is the latest one. I just put happy, and then I just put some Winkle Star to make it a bit shine. It's very simple. And then this one is I show in my previous tutorial on how I make this one, like using the Daiso clay as well. So this is the back. Never really decorate on it because I just want it to be very simple. So inside is how it goes. Is like when you flip it open, you actually open up again. So this is like all the Polaroids that, you know, like previously we went to KTV with friends. So it's like, it's always like one session, probably you only have one or two photos. So it's not practical that I make it into a album specially for it. So I just thought of like doing this to keep all these cute little photos. And then as I add on, I just like decorate with it. So this is another side. So what you do is like when you flip it up, okay, so probably I tilt it a bit. Okay, so usually like once it open, it's like a coordinating color, and then you can flip it over here and then over here as well. So this is like a coordinating one. So it's something like this, and this will be coordinate design people. This is how I do it. So it's like flip it over here, and then this is like, and then I don't really decorate it in the first place. So what I did is that all this decoration is only put on upon I have my Polaroid or photos on it. So something like I just put some add-ons, this origami, which me and my hubby went for a bowling session. So probably I will add a small note on it, because this is a charity bowling section. And then this is my cousin wedding, where me and my hubby and my little niece that we got together. And then this is from this fox dyes. I just feel that it blends well with the colors of it, so I just put it here. And then the next page is it is still quite a lot of blank space. So this is like when I went to Japan, I do a collage on it. So at the Pom Pom Purin, so I just have a photo of it here. And then so this and this is the coordinating as well, like the color of it. And then when you flip it open, so I still can put another 4 more. Yeah, another 4 more of it here. And then this is like a spots for me. You can actually add more like journal, and then like front and back to add some journaling or some photo as well. So this is just a small little quick and easy one, like a quick and easy mini album that I did up, which can store probably like 20 pictures. That's what I feel. Yeah, because like 4 this side plus 2, 4, 4, 8. Yeah, depend on the Polaroid. So if you wish to see a tutorial on this one, I can do a quick one. So just let me know, and I hope you like this album that I've did up. So thanks for watching my video. Bye.